Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Learn Swahili with Rio. So in the previous lesson we learned about a bit of self-introduction and some common phrases of Swahili. So today we are going to continue with lesson number 2 and it's all about introductions and how to introduce yourself in Swahili. So we are going to start right away without wasting much of your time. And if it's your first time here with this second video, make sure you go to the first video first so that you can learn in a sequence way. So let's continue. So self-introduction means kujitambulisha. Repeat after me. Kujitambulisha. So when you meet with people who speak Swahili, they may ask you some questions like unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? Repeat after me. Unaitwa nani? That means what is your name? Or what is your name? What are you called in another way? So here the response is going to be naitwa Rio. Naitwa Rio. When you are asked unaitwa nani, you answer like this. Naitwa Rio. So in the place of Rio, you put your name. Maybe you are Jamila or you are James, so you said naitwa Jamila. Naitwa James, depends on your name. Also, there is another way of asking someone their names. So you ask like this. Jina lako nani? Jina lako nani? You need to put the question mark. Jina lako nani? So you need to answer like this. Jina langu ni Rio. Jina langu ni Rio. Depends on your name, you put your name there. If you are Peter or you are James or you are Jamila, you say jina langu ni James. Jina langu ni Jamila. Jina langu ni Rio. That's how you put it. The next self-introduction is going to be unaishi wapi? Unaishi wapi? Repeat after me. Unaishi wapi? Rudia baada yangu. So the answer to this question is naishi Dodoma. Naishi Dar es Salaam. Naishi Iringa. You're going to mention the city or town where you live. So another phrase is going to be unaongea lugha gani? Or unazungumza lugha gani? That means which language do you speak? There are two different words, unaongea or unazungumza. So you will see which word is simple for you to pronounce. So unaongea lugha gani? Or unazungumza lugha gani? That means which language do you speak? And the response to this question is going to be ninaongea Kiswahili or ninazungumza Kiswahili. That means I speak Swahili. Another phrase is going to be unatoka nchi gani? Unatoka nchi gani? Repeat after me. Unatoka nchi gani? That means which country are you from? Or which country are you coming from? So if someone asks you unatoka nchi gani, do you know how you're going to reply to this? You can say I am from Tanzania. But in Swahili, you are going to say natokea Tanzania. Natokea Tanzania. Or whichever country you're coming from, you can say natokea Uganda. Natokea Rwanda. Natokea Burundi. It depends on which country you are coming from. So the question is unatokea nchi gani or unatoka nchi gani? You need to answer with the country you are coming from. Now let's see another phrase of Swahili. Una miaka mingapi? Una miaka mingapi? In a first way, una miaka mingapi? Una miaka mingapi? You must put the question mark at the end. So in English, that means how old are you? How old are you? So you are going to reply to this question with your age. Let's say you are 25 or you are 16. So you're going to say like this. Nina miaka 25. Nina miaka 25. Or nina miaka 16. Nina miaka 16. I'm going to write it down so you can see how to write those numbers. So you reply with your age. Now let's see another phrase, which is je, unazungumza Kiingereza? Or unaongea Kiingereza? That means, do you speak English? Do you speak English? Unaongea Kiingereza? Put the question mark at the end. Unaongea Kiingereza? Or unazungumza Kiingereza? And how to reply to this question is, whether you speak English, you say yes. If you do not speak English, you say no. So let's say I speak English. I will answer like this. Ndio, ninazungumza Kiingereza. Repeat after me. Ndio, ninazungumza Kiingereza. That means yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. So this is how you're going to answer the question. Let's say you are being asked another question or another phrase of Swahili like, je, unazungumza Kifaransa? Je, unazungumza Kifaransa? That means, do you speak French? Do you speak French? Repeat the phrase in Swahili. Je, unazungumza Kifaransa? Repeat after me. Je, unazungumza Kifaransa? That is, do you speak French? Do you speak French? And if the answer is no, you're going to say, hapana, sizungumzi Kifaransa. Or, hapana, siongei Kifaransa. That is how you are going to answer. That means, no, I do not speak French. No, I don't speak French. If you have noticed something, it is that different languages are being pronounced differently in Swahili language. For example, French and English. In Swahili, we pronounce it in a different way, like English is Kiingereza and French is Kifaransa. So it's another lesson. It's a separate lesson, but I decided to give it a bit of introduction over here, but I'll cover it in another lesson. So I'm going to sum up with another phrase of Swahili, which is unatokea bara gani? Unatokea bara gani? That means, which continent are you coming from? Which continent are you coming from? So in order to answer this, you can say ninatokea bara la Afrika. If you're coming from Africa, you can say ninatokea bara la Afrika. If you're coming from Asia, you can say ninatokea bara la Asia. If you're coming from America, you're going to say ninatokea bara la America, etc., etc. So before I finish this video, let me give you some hints whereby it will help you in learning any language you are trying to learn. So in order for you to remember some words or some phrases you have learned, try to repeat the video 2 times or even 3 times, depending on your capability of learning, and then pause the video and take a piece of paper and a pen, and then start noting down all the words you can remember and all the phrases you can remember, and then try to correct yourself if you did some errors. So that's how you can memorize and learn a language in an easy way. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video to this end, and I want to welcome you for the next video so that you can continue learning Swahili language in a sequence way. Asanteni sana and kwaheri. Bye bye.